welcome to LegitAirdroponly. So in today's video, I will be telling you how to get 500 to 1000 USDT for free. But before going to how to get this 500 to from 50 to 1000 USD for free. So all I want you to do is hit on that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's move on how to get the USD or USDT for free. So please make sure you watch this video till the end. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So we'll be going to the website. This is a new website. So this is a new website. So we'll be using this website to make our money. So this website is actually called whipco.com. So it's similar like YouTube. So it's very similar like YouTube, but this website is actually better than YouTube because YouTube has a monetization of 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers before they're gonna start paying you. So but this website is actually gonna pay you from the first view of your video. So let's go to the website. So let's go to the website. So you can post anything is acceptable. So you can post anything. So you can create your own movie or videos by yourself. So you can make a video recap. It's very easy to do that. So you can go on YouTube and search on how to make movies. So it's very easy. So let's go to the website. I will be posting this video to go to the website. So this is the website. You can actually be paid by watching videos. So you can actually be paid by watching videos. So they can pay you by watching videos. So this website is actually new, but still is paying. So they're gonna pay you instantly. They're gonna pay you for every view. So what you need to be doing is this website is actually better than YouTube. So because YouTube has a huge the monetization is very high. So please you come to, I will be dropping a video very much in this website. So you go to search button. See, this is our username, LegitAirdroponly. So I will be dropping the link of the website in the description. So you can see this is our username. So you go to the search bar and search for LegitAirdroponly and subscribe to our channel. So if you wanna search, this is a search bar. So you type on LegitAirdroponly. So legit airdrops, don't give cap, legit airdrops. So the airdrop start with capital letter, legit airdrops, airdrop only. So this is how it's. So make sure you type it exactly like this. So you can see the channel is going to appear. Okay, I have not made it. You can see this is my channel. So I will be uploading the profile picture of our channel. So you can see this is it. So make sure you subscribe. To the channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. So let's see some benefit of this platform. So let's see some benefit. So you can see, you can go through this whole lot of shit. So you can see they pay accept crypto company to accept crypto video banner and aid, which means we pay better than other video streaming companies. You can see this is a very huge opportunity for you to change your life financially. um, so if you don't know, you can, anything is acceptable, so you can post anything. So anything is acceptable. If you really want me to make a video on how to make video story like video recap, it's very easy to do that. It's very easy. Don't need to use your voice. It's very easy. The software is available for you to use and produce the video. Is very easy, and it's free of charge, so you can use it. And you can see people are actually getting views, and this they pay you for every view you get. You can see 5,984 views just 2 days ago. So they pay you for every view. So you can see, let's see some of the benefit of uh, this website. So you can see these some of the benefits. So don't forget to follow us up here for more awesome videos. We will be posting videos here more than YouTube. So you follow us up. So make sure you click on the Legit airdrops only. So and subscribe to our channel. You can turn on that notification bell. They have a notification bell. You can turn on it and get notified whenever we upload a new video. So make sure you come down here and search for videos. So we will be uploading videos here very much. So for YouTubers, this is a great opportunity for you. This is a great opportunity for you to make a lot of money and change your life financially. It's a very big opportunity for you. So you go down here and set up an account and start uploading some nice videos. So anything is acceptable here. So you can upload anything is acceptable. You see people making some video, uploading some videos, anything is acceptable. So thank you for watching. If you actually find this video very interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So I will be dropping a link of this website in the description of this video. So you go down there and set up an account, follow us up, and we will be dropping an awesome videos on how to make money online, especially with cryptocurrency and other means of making money online. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So make sure you follow us up, because we will be uploading videos on this place more than YouTube. So we will be uploading videos here more than YouTube. I will be uploading a new video how to make free USDT. So it's actually free USDT 500 free. You can make up to 500 free USDT from that website. So I will be dropping a video in this channel. I don't think I will be dropping it in YouTube, so I might drop it in YouTube. So you can go and check up on YouTube. So I will be dropping on YouTube and here. So make sure you frequently check on us here, because we will be dropping some awesome videos. So thank you for watching.